There are millions of occasions in your life or in your business where you need to make choices. But how to make the most informed decisions fast? Hello, my name is Jakub, I'm CMO of PitchGround, and in today's video I'm going to tell you about what is a SWOT analysis and how to do it the right way. But before we jump right into it, please make sure you will subscribe to this channel and you will hit that little bell which appears there after you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any other video we post. And also we are very active in our official PitchGround Facebook community with like-minded entrepreneurs, founders and marketers. You can find the link down in the description. But now, without further ado, let me tell you what is a SWOT analysis. SWOT analysis is a hugely popular method to examine your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. That's why it's called SWOT. And it can be used in projects, proposals, business plans, and pretty much anywhere where you need to make informed decisions. Now, let me give you three specific examples where you can use SWOT analysis. For example, when you are brainstorming ideas with your team, you can take every idea of your team members and examine them using SWOT analysis. So you know what are the strengths, weaknesses, and opportunities and threats of this idea. Second example is when you are taking feedback from experts in your field or from your mentors and so on. And you need to find out and evaluate what they are saying to you. Is it really the best option for you? And the third most popular is the general SWOT analysis, where you just analyze your company and strengths, weaknesses, opportunities and threats of your company and your company's direction. Okay, first let's talk about your strengths. What is, for example, most best-selling product of your company? Or what is the best competitive advantage you have over your competitors? And you need to write all these things down in the first part of your SWOT analysis. And again, you need to be completely honest with you and not trying to draw the best version of your company or yourself. All right, next are weaknesses, because you already know what you are good at, but you need to figure out what are the things you are actually not good at, your weaknesses. So again, you need to write all these things down in a second part of the SWOT analysis, and you need to be completely honest with you. And why you should write all the weaknesses down? Well, because these things are the little parts of your company or your idea which can be harmful in the long run. And you need to know them, you need to identify them, and you need to figure out how to fix them so they eventually become your strengths. All right, now let's talk about the bottom part of your SWOT analysis. And the first are opportunities. And opportunities are situations which can bring a positive change in your company or in your life. And you need to write them down. And the biggest difference between strengths and opportunities is that opportunities are external. So let me give you an example. For example, you want to expand to a new market. You need to figure out like what is the purchasing power of the people who live there, or if is there some competition and so on. And then if all adds up, you can actually consider it as an opportunity. All right, so now you know your strengths, weaknesses and opportunities, and now it's the time to talk about the last part of the SWOT analysis, which are threats. And threats are dangerous situations which can harm your business or your ideas or pretty much anything you are performing SWOT analysis on. And let me give you again example. Let's say that you are expanding to a new market and there is a like really strong lobby from a government, right, to not allow small businesses to work there. I don't know, I'm just making it up, right? But this could be a threat for your business, and you need to evaluate this threat and write it down into the last part of your SWOT analysis. And after you evaluate all these threats, then you have your SWOT analysis complete and you can make informed decision. Doing a SWOT analysis can make or break your business, and it's important to know how to do it correctly, so you can make informed decisions and make them quick. But the good news is that I found the 10 templates you can use to perform SWOT analysis in just a few minutes. All you have to do is just click the link down in the description and I will send you the copy straight to your email inbox. So check the link below. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell which appears there so you don't miss any other video we post. We post tips like these almost every single week. So see you in the next video.